Hello children. We now continue with the chemical properties of ammonia. I hope you must have done till catalytic oxidation of ammonia. Today I will teach you ammonia as a reducing agent. This is a very important topic. Reduction of metallic oxides. You see here copper 2 oxide CuO. When it reacts with ammonia, here ammonia is the reducing agent. It gives me Cu plus H2O plus N2. So the black copper oxide is reduced to reddish brown metal copper. And the gas released here is nitrogen. So I told you two observations. Black copper oxide is reduced to reddish brown copper and nitrogen gas is released. 2NH3 plus 3CuO gives you 3Cu plus 3H2O plus N2. Today when you start writing chemical properties of ammonia as a reducing agent, write this equation as number 1 and write its observation below: black to reddish brown pinkish metal. Next one. This would be your second equation. PbO, lead monoxide, also called litharge. It is reduced by ammonia to give me Pb plus H2O plus N2. Observation. Yellow lead monoxide reduced to grayish metallic lead silver and nitrogen gas is evolved. So this will be your second equation. Remember, both these two equations are very important. These reactions prove that ammonia is a nitrogen hydride, a compound of hydrogen. That is, it consists of nitrogen and hydrogen. Now for third reaction as a reducing agent, you will write down this: 8NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives me N2 plus NH4Cl. Observation. Dense white fumes of ammonium chloride are seen, and this is excess ammonia with chlorine. Pay attention, excess ammonia with chlorine. Observation. Dense white fumes of ammonium chloride are seen. Then your fourth equation will be when chlorine excess reacts with ammonia. NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives me 3HCl plus NCl3. This is nitrogen trichloride, yellow, oily, explosive liquid. Nitrogen trichloride. So you have four equations where ammonia acts as a reducing agent. Write down all these equations under the heading ammonia as a reducing agent. Ammonia is a base, so it will react with an acid. So you see here, when it reacts with an acid, it forms salt. NH3 plus HCl gives me NH4Cl. Remember, ammonium is NH4 plus 1. Do not forget your symbols and valencies. I have been repeatedly telling you this. NH3 plus HNO3 gives me NH4NO3. Ammonium nitrate and 2NH3 plus H2SO4 gives me NH4 whole twice SO4 ammonium sulfate. These three equations you will write under the heading reaction with acids. Suppose instead of NH3 it was NH4OH. So you would get salt plus water. NH4OH plus HCl gives me NH4Cl plus H2O. NH4OH plus HNO3 gives me NH4NO3 plus H2O. And 2NH4OH plus H2SO4 gives me NH4 whole twice SO4 plus 2H2O. So here OH is present. So here water is being formed. So these equations you will continue under the heading reaction with acids. Next, thermal dissociation reaction. You will write down this NH4Cl reversible gives me NH3 plus HCl. This you will not write, only the above equation you are going to write under the heading thermal dissociation. I have taught you thermal dissociation in class 9th and in chapter of electrolysis. Reaction of aqueous solution of ammonia with soluble metallic salts. We have done this in analytical chemistry. Refer to the equations which I had sent you. So again I will not repeat in this chapter. It is in chapter 4. Test for ammonia gas. It has a characteristic odor. Odor means smell. Turns red litmus blue, phenolphthalein solution pink. It gives dense white fumes with HCl due to formation of ammonium chloride. Ammonium salts give a brown color with Nessler's reagent potassium mercuric iodide K2HgI4. These were the tests of ammonia. With this, I will stop here, children. Try to do it slowly, nicely, neatly. Again, just a simple recap of what you are going to write today. Ammonia as a reducing agent with copper oxide with lead oxide. Excess ammonia with chlorine, ammonia with chlorine excess. So these are your 4 reactions as a reducing agent. Then reactions with acids. First, only ammonia gas you are going to take, and then you will take aqueous solution of ammonia, that is NH4OH. Do not forget your thermal dissociation equation. NH4Cl reversible gives me NH3 plus HCl. And tests for ammonia, no need to write in notebook, just refer here. All the best, children. Take care.